All right now. Let's see. Yeah, this loan mod that I'm actually going over, it's only 28 pages and one stamp. I got paid $80 for this. We got a few people on. I'm gonna go ahead and jump in and go over let me see if I can share my screen. Yeah, this is gonna be quick. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, because this particular loan modification is only 28 pages and one stamp. And I see it.
Yes.
Okay. So I just blacked out the person's name. But if you just scroll through, there's nothing on here that you have to sign on this first page. And it's from First American Mortgage. You say the order number at the top. But if I scroll through the second page, this is right here is just the notary information. Where it'll sometimes tell you what color ink they want, blue or black. This particular one, I think they wanted black ink on this particular one. And then you see the second page, no, the fourth page. It's just nothing. You don't have to sign nothing. Make sure you just verify their ID. You have their ID and it match the paperwork. So far, if I'm going too fast, let me know. This is pretty easy though. Hold on, let me go down here. So this is where I have it blacked out right here. And she signs right there. And scroll some more. See, some of this stuff don't even have nothing on it.
Directions.
This right here. This is the page that just tells you black ink, and then name exactly how it appears on the line. So anytime that they're signing, it has to, they have to sign it exactly how it is on the documents. And of course, you have to make sure that the dates match. And you got to notarize it in front of the person. So this is the promissory note. You don't have to sign nothing on there. And I'm trying to get, she signs this one, the promissory note. You don't have to sign that one, but I'm getting to the juicy part. Partial claim. Scroll on through. I meant to put my phone on silent, y'all. I apologize. Okay, here we go. The borrower's acknowledgement. This is it. That top black block is where I blotted out. That's what she signs, and the rest is all you, the notary. That's the only thing. One stamp, $80. That's it right here, and that's it. So. And she might have to sign a couple more. I think it's like 3 more signatures back here that she has to sign. Yeah, and that's it. And these are loan mods, 28 pages. You might be, and they'll give you this right here is the FedEx slip. When you take it back to FedEx, you just take that with it, put it in the FedEx pack, and you're good.